to love the 2018 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, speed control, trailer tow group, four-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, HD radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.